In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a row in Smartsheet. Adding hyperlinks directly to your rows is a great way to keep related documents, websites, or reference materials just one click away. Instead of hunting through emails or folders, you can attach the exact link you need right where your work lives in Smartsheet. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet. Go ahead and sign into your Smartsheet account, then navigate to the sheet where you want to add the link. You should see your familiar grid view with rows, columns, and any data you've already entered. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before moving on, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, find the specific row where you want to attach the link. Click on the highlighted area shown in the video, which will usually be a cell in the row you're working with. This might be a dedicated link or reference column, or any text column where you'd like your link to appear. Clicking in that cell will activate it so you can edit its contents. Once the cell is selected, look for the option to add a hyperlink. In most cases, you'll right-click the cell or use the small drop-down arrow, then choose the option labeled Add Hyperlink. This opens a hyperlink dialog box where you'll configure the link details. If you don't see this option, double-check that you're clicking in a text-based cell and that you have the right permissions on the sheet. In the hyperlink window, click into the field where the URL or web address should go. This is the highlighted area in the video. Here, you'll paste or type the link you want to associate with that row. It could be a link to a cloud document, a shared drive folder, a website, or even another Smartsheet item. After that, move to the display text field, which is also highlighted. This is what users will actually see in the cell instead of the long URL. Type in a clear descriptive label like Project Brief, Client Folder, or Design Mockups. Using readable text makes your sheet cleaner and easier for others to understand at a glance. When you're happy with the URL and the display text, click the button to confirm and save the hyperlink. You'll see the cell update so the text is now clickable, often underlined or in a different color. Finally, click back on the cell to test it. Make sure the link opens correctly and points to the right destination. If anything is off, you can repeat the process to edit the hyperlink. And that's all there is to it. Your Smartsheet row now has a handy built-in link ready for you and your team to use.